Okay, for this one, we're talking about language analysis and how to improve it. The one thing I've noticed from practice pieces along the years is something that I call the double flex. So basically, when you're talking about one technique, usually and almost as a result, they're not doing another technique or they're doing the opposite. So if I'm attacking one group, I'm almost by definition praising another, and so forth. If I'm using statistics, I'm by definition not using emotion. So you can kind of, you don't want to use it too much, or it just sounds like you're constantly talking about doubles of things. But maybe once per paragraph, you might want to try something like that, where you talk about one technique being used or one audience being appealed to. Like maybe if I started my video with "Hi, cool cats and kittens" or something, then that would be appealing to a younger audience. But if I then instead said, "Welcome back to the program, it's me, your regular host," like those are, by doing one, I'm appealing to one group and sort of excluding another group. So this is something that you can try to do in your piece. Again, maybe twice, maybe once per paragraph. Don't do it all the time, but something to think about as a different technique you can use, as well as talking about techniques and as well as talking about specific words and phrases in the article that you're looking at.